Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another day. Welcome back to another video. Today it is Wednesday, May 13th to 7:30. So currently right now I am looking for yesterday's trade that we had took yesterday, but I got out early because I thought it was going to consolidate, and as we can see, price ended up consolidating yesterday. So now I feel like the move is about to continue. So I am currently in sales right now, but price, yeah. So with that being said, I don't know what's going on, but I'm currently on my phone. So currently floating about almost $200 or $100, something like that. Looking for price to kind of push down. It's kind of wicking out, but I'm looking for her to push down. Reason being, we have news coming out relatively soon. If it didn't already just come out, must have just came out. All right, so that was news that gave us that push. So looking for the trade to kind of just float a little bit down to the downside, and I'm gonna hold it for a little bit. I told Telegram and my friends about it. So currently floating about $191, $200. So currently floating that. So I'm gonna let this come down to hit TP to this equal low. I'll make about $1,000, so $1,200. So currently floating about $300 to $400. So now we're just gonna let this play out, do its thing, and I'm going to wait and be patient. But yeah, so you can see my friends took the trade as well, so they're good. I'm in it, they're in it. So we're up currently about $200. Price is kind of falling. Let me get rid of this so I can see. That's not what I wanted to do. So let's get rid of this. Okay. Whatever. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. So where is my short position? I got in off the break. This is my breaker structure. I'm looking at price to come here. Okay, currently. Okay, cool. There we go. So currently trying to let that go down, move, and melt. Currently up 470, $400. So currently at 450. So I'll keep you updated on how the trade is going or how the trade is moving. I could not get into my liquid on my computer for whatever reason, so thank God Adriana told me she could get in on her phone. So I got in on my phone. So price is still trying to push down currently. Everybody that I know is probably in this trade right now. And I am currently floating about $300, $400 at most. The most I've been up was $400, so between $200 and $400 I'm floating. It's gonna have some pullback and some continuation, so I'll probably be holding on to that for quite some time. But take profit would be about $1,200. If we go all the way to TP, I might cut it off a little sooner depending on how it's moving or how it's flowing. So it just depends. But yeah, for the most part, that's kind of what I'm into. Currently floating. That's my friends. Almost closed up the trade. Currently floating $300. So yeah. And today might not be, because I wasn't supposed to take this, so today might not be a huge day. It might be a few $100 day. Kind of is what it is, but I wasn't even supposed to take this, so anything that I make off of this trade will be kind of just extra. Like I said, I wasn't supposed to make anything. So but price is just making lower lows and lower highs as of right now. As y'all can see, price gave us an impulse to the downside, letting us know which way she wanted to go. So she might have some pullback, hopefully to this pullback, and then continue to drop, hold, drop, and then so on and so forth. So, but we have to wait for that to play out. Remember, this is one thing that people fail to realize when it comes to trading. You do not control time, meaning Just because in your head you think the move should play out in 5 to 10 minutes doesn't mean that's what's gonna happen. It may take an hour to play out, 2 hours to play out. You just don't know all the time, even if it's on a smaller time frame. You do not control time, so don't think that since it's not going your way right away, it doesn't mean that your bias or your trade or your thinking is wrong. So you have to always remember that and keep that in mind, right? So yeah, so currently floating, it started to pull back. So I'm currently floating like a few dollars. So I'm up $10. They gave me some pullback, so I'm just gonna hold it. I have a stop loss, so whatever happens. I'm back up $100. So, but I'll keep y'all posted as she gives me another push, and if I feel comfortable to take the trade out, I'll take it out. If I hold it, I'll hold it. But like I said, it's just extra at this point. So, but like I always tell y'all, the first link in the description is the course, $50. Let's just say you took this trade with me and you were up $146. You would have made the money back in no time, or $185, or $300, or whatever. You would have made the money back. Yesterday I took $700. The day before that I took $3,600. So I'm pretty much already up. If this trade finished and I'm close at 1,000 or close to it, I'll be up 5,000 for the week, and I've only traded 3 days in the month of May. So keep that in mind. Stay locked and loaded. Don't give up. And like I said, you would have got that course, you would be up $300 along with me. So you know, that's something you got to keep in mind, right? Invest into yourself. On a trade update, as you can see, price, it gave us an impulse to the downside, a correction for a continuation back down again. So I'm looking for a price to kind of keep pushing or get me out and profit. I'm probably gonna end up taking the trade a little early because it's kind of playing, and I'd rather just take the profit that I wasn't even supposed to be in the trade anyway. So I'm currently down $30-something. I'm back up again. So I'm kind of down. If it get me back to like $200-300, I'm gonna go ahead and take it and call it a day. And then I'll just wait for another trade because I wasn't supposed to be this anyway. But since it's giving me an opportunity to take a less of a loss, then I'll just take it and maybe walk away with some profit. Currently floating $90-something. So if it gave me to like $200-300, I'm going to go ahead and take it and walk away, and I'll just wait for a whole new quality setup. But either way, I made money, so I can't complain about that. I'm currently up $100. I'm currently up $100 right now. So $200. So currently up $200. It's kind of pushing right now. So she's pushing pretty hard. So she's pushing pretty hard, but I'm gonna be taking it pretty soon just to take some profit and get up out of there while people are enjoying it. I'm currently floating about $400. Price is kind of rallying now, but I don't care about that as much. So it's currently rallying. I'm up $400. Hold on, I'll keep calling me. Let me, yeah. Can you give me like 2 minutes?
Yeah. Can you email something to me?
Yeah. Can you give me 2 minutes? Okay. Okay. All right, y'all. So that was my mom. But currently floating $380. So I'm probably gonna end up taking it for about $400. So price is kind of wicking out. So, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and take it. I'm up $300. Shall I wait to get to 4? I'm going to go ahead and close it actually, bro. I'm about 360. Yeah, 400. I'm gonna take it. So at $400, I'm at $400. I'm about to go ahead and close this at 430. Since it's gonna be a little push, I'm gonna take 450, 440, 460. Price is still kind of buffering, but like I said, I'm gonna just chill. 440. Let's see if she's gonna give me like 500. She gave me the 500. I will take it up. Hold on. 500. Alright, I took $400. Alright, cool. So I walked away with $400. I'm calling it. I'm out the trade. I'm done. I'm gonna let this play out, do its thing, and I'm done for the day. I gotta call my mom back, but get that course. First link below. I just made $400. It's $50 for the course. If you would have took 2 of the last 3 trades with me, Monday I made 36, yesterday I made 730, and then today I made 400. So I'm almost up 5K on the week for just trading alone, and you would have made your money back. So like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button. Stay tuned for the next banger quality video, and remember, it's just a trade, and always be patient.